friends, welcome to our channel, that is Solid Master. So today we will make our next 2D sketch, that is this one, as you see in our screen. This is our next practice sketch in AutoCAD 2017 version. So let's go to make it. And here you can see this is our 2D sketch that we will make here. So I will scroll down this and select here AutoCAD, this icon. It will take some time to open it. Yeah. Now go to here, start drawing. This is our AutoCAD 2017 window has appeared. So first of all I will set here units. So units will be UN enter. I will enter here. This is our units. Now this is our unit dialog box appeared. Here I will change here precision as 0.0. Click on this. And millimeter will be same as it is. And click OK. Now first of all I will select here below the command manager. Select here ortho mode on. See here our ortho mode is on. Now I will make here two circles. Press here C enter. Our first circle will be 18 mm diameter and radius 15 mm, or you can make first circle as radius 15 mm and diameter 18. So I will make it now. Now select here anywhere. First I will make 18 mm diameter. So here press D enter and make it 18 mm diameter. See. Now again press circle, C enter and select here midpoint of this circle and make radius 15 mm. Okay. Now we will make another circle. For that we will make one line, rough line. So select here L and L, or you can press L enter so that our line command will appear. So here make 60 mm line and press right click enter. Now again we have to make here two concentric circles, that is radius 8 mm and diameter 6 mm. So first of all I will make this radius and then diameter. Press C enter again. Select here this endpoint. Press D enter as 8 mm. No, delete this circle. Again press C enter. Make here radius 8 mm. Go to circle, center diameter here, scroll down it. Press this end point and make it 6 mm diameter. Okay. Now we have to make here two circle as tangent. You can see our drawing here. So make it here tangent. Go to line tool command. Select here this point. And you can see one point that is tangent. Select this and click enter. Right click plus enter. It is properly tangent here, as you can see. Now again we have to make here another line. So I will use here mirror command. So you can see here, this is our mirror command. But if you want here shortcut key, so press MI enter. Mirror appear. Select this line and press right click on your mouse and select which points that you want. In our command section, it shows specify first point of mirror line. I will select this first point, and second line and second point will be this. As you see in our mirror command, they have given specify second point of mirror line. So I will select this endpoint, and here it shows erase source object. So I will select here no. Now we are exit here. In our drawing, you can see they have shown another part, that is 14 mm this length and 50 mm this width. So I will again go this. I will make this. Press here line enter. Select this point or end point of this circle and make here 5 mm. Now move upward to the direction of line and here make 14 divided by 2, that is 7. Now go to again line command. Select this end point and you can see here there is a point that is called tangent. So apply here our line command and press enter. Now we have to create another this section. So again go to mirror, press here MI enter, and here it shows select object. So I will select this and right click. Specify first point, that I will choose this. Press left click and then second point will be about this. No. Again we have to make it here. So again press MI enter. Select this line and right click on it. Select this point up to this and erase source will be no. Now our sketch is completed, only we just have to trim it. So I will go to here trim command. Here you can see in modify. Select here trim and press here enter button. I don't want this edge and this, and press right click button, enter. Now we have exited here. So as you see in our drawing, we have completed it. As you see here. Now we will give here some dimension. So select here, go to annotations, select here linear dimension Select this starting point of circle to this point of circles, and it will give 60 mm linear dimension. Now for circles, I will choose here radius. Select this one as radius 15 mm. Again go to radius circle. Select this arc as radius 18 mm. Radius 8 mm, sorry. Now for diameter, I will choose here diameter. Select this one. It will give 18 mm diameter. Again select this one as 6 mm diameter. Now for this, I will choose here dimensions. Select this point up to this. It will give automatically as 5 mm. This is dimensions that creates multiple types of dimension with a single command session. If you want this, then press F1 button. Now again select this. Only one dimension is remaining, so I will give it this up to this. We have given all the dimensions and our sketch is completed. This is a simple practice sketch that you can practice here in AutoCAD software for mechanical. So if you like our video, then please subscribe our channel for more interesting projects in AutoCAD, SolidWorks and PTC Creo. So friends, thank you for watching it. Take care, bye.